this video, you will learn how to set up Jio Remote. Simply remember these three magical words: plug, pair and play. And you are ready to set up your Jio Remote. Switch on your Jio set-top box and within few seconds you will see connect your remote screen. Now insert two AAA batteries in the Jio Remote and wait for the red light to blink 5 times. Simply press any button for 10 seconds and you are all set to binge watch using Jio Remote. Let us now explore the different uses of Jio Remote. Power button to turn set-top box on and off. Arrow buttons for easy navigation. Back button to go to the previous screen. Home button to return to your home screen. Help button for any JioFiber account related queries. Jio TV Plus button to watch your favorite TV channels, TV shows and OTT apps. 4 multicolored buttons for quick commands that can be used on different apps. Exclusive OTT buttons to enjoy Disney Plus Hotstar, Netflix, Voot and YouTube. Not just that, search your favorite movies, songs, actors, genres and advanced voice search. Simply press the mic button and say it. Now accept one-time permission to activate the voice search functionality. And you are all set to get unlimited entertainment with advanced voice search. Your smart TV remote is also equipped with Bluetooth technology, which means that you can browse through the channels without pointing the remote to the TV. But wait, there's more. With the universal remote feature, you can control both TV and set-top box with a single remote. To know more and how to set it up, watch the video on Universal Remote. Link is in the description below. A whole new experience is awaiting you. Get smart with Jio Remote.